Aloha guys, Justin here with yet another episode of Fish and Dive Hawaii, where we give you all the best fishing and diving tips here in the Aloha State. Today we're learning how to cook some UHU, which is the red parrotfish I shot in the last video. And if you guys haven't watched that, there's going to be a link in the description, or I'm going to put one of those note things over here. And so that's the video of me shooting the fish. I also have one of me cleaning it, so if you guys want to see that video, I'll have that in the description as well. And if you want to cook the UHU, then watch this video, because I'm going to have my sister record me when I'm cooking with using all the ingredients, and just going to show you guys how to cook it. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, today we're going to learn how to cook or bake this UHU. This is the whiptail I shot last Friday, and if you guys watch my other video you can see that. So today we're going to learn how to cook it. The different sizes vary on how many ingredients you're going to use, and so all of the stuff I'm going to show you is going to be based on the size of the fish. So this one is about 2 to 3 pounds. Alright, other meats that you're going to want to use are any type of meat you want. A lot of people use Portuguese sausage. This brand is the Hawaiian brand. It's really cheap, dollar a pack. But I'm also putting some smoked meat on top. My uncle makes. For vegetables, I got parsley or cilantro, green onions. I got garlic. Love garlic, so I got some more garlic. I'm using about 4 cloves for this one. And so you can add some more stuff. Some people put tomatoes, oranges, it's just whatever you guys want. So for the main stuff, or the toppings and whatnot, you're gonna wanna use mayonnaise. Not a whole gallon, but you're gonna wanna use mayonnaise. Oyster sauce, sesame oil, and shoyu. I love Aloha shoyu for this kind of stuff. And then we got garlic powder, pepper, and then where's the Hawaiian salt at? Some Hawaiian salt. Recording? Okay, like with other fish, you're gonna want to cut into the cavities. You're gonna want to cut into the cavities right here, so that it's nice and open like that. Cook the meat nice and even. I'll do the same thing on this side. So this knife is a little dull. Okay. Now we're gonna add in the rest of the stuff. Get some mayonnaise. I'm gonna use about 2 to 3 cups worth. Yeah. Okay. So get a little bit of sesame oil. I always kind of eyeball it. I don't ever go by like tablespoons or teaspoons or whatever. And then some oyster sauce. Some oyster sauce in there. Okay. And then some shoyu. Drop it in. Okay. We're good. Now I'm gonna mix all of this up right here. Taste it. It's good.
Hey, what would you do? Where you catch that?
Yeah, Friday.
What is it?
Parrotfish. So, put some pepper inside of the cavity. You want to open it up. Get some garlic powder all up in here. Okay. Add some Hawaiian salt. Drizzle that. How do they do it, Mara? Some Hawaiian salt in there. Now I'm going to cut all the Portuguese sausage up. I got 2 packs, so I'm not trying to be, I'm gonna be a little bit generous on here. Cut. Just trying to get fancy there, it doesn't need to be fancy. I'm gonna throw some of this inside of the mayonnaise. I'm gonna leave the rest on top. Now I'm gonna cut up the smoked meat. Mix some of this with the mayonnaise as well, and leave these over here for the toppings. Push that on the side, right? Now all this is gonna go on top after I mix this up. So I'm gonna mix this up. And normally I would cook the smoked meat in guava jam, but we're gonna get a little bit of a different flavor here with the sesame oil, oyster sauce, shoyu. The only thing we didn't put in here is brown sugar. If you guys wanna put brown sugar, you guys can. Alright, ready? Come inside. Now we're gonna stuff the cavity. That's why they call it stuffed uhu. With what you just made. And the rest, just gonna slabber it right on top. Mmm, looks good, yo. All around. You don't want all of this, the mayonnaise to penetrate the meat. You guys cook salmon. Salmon is the same kind of deal. Just get all that mayonnaise out on top. Alright. Okay. Now we're going to come to the green onions, cut it up. This doesn't need to be all crazy either. Just gonna slabber that all on top. I'm gonna get some of the parsley. I'm not gonna use a whole lot. Just gonna cut out maybe about a cup's worth. Ready more? So I'm just gonna break it up all around here. Okay, now the rest of that meat, you're gonna droop it all over, right? Oh, forgot the garlic. Go back in with the garlic. No, normally I would mix some of this up with the stuffing, but because I did it last, I'm just gonna mix it in just to kind of get that crispiness of it on the top. And bango, whatever more mayo you can get out of here, just droop it on top, get as much as you can. That's it. So all of this, I'm gonna put it in the oven. I got it going at 425 degrees. I'll try it out for half an hour, and if it's not cooked all the way then I can just wait a little bit longer. I'm gonna get the foil, oil it up. Just like that, just so I can hold some of the heat in. Doesn't need to be perfect. Alright, I'll poke some holes inside for ventilation. Alright.
One over here.
Yeah, you're gonna put your uhu in the oven. And then we're gonna wait. So we're gonna check on the uhu. It's been about 40 minutes. The bigger ones, you wanna let it go for at least an hour. So I doubt it's cooked yet. Who's that fork?
The fork.
You can hear it cooking, yeah. Okay. You wanna be careful. The stuff gets really hot. You see that? So how you check it is, get that to the meat. If it goes all the way through, like that, and it's cooked. See all that? It's all cooked. Alright. Now we're eating. Alright guys, now that we got the cooked fish, I'm gonna take it back there for everyone to enjoy. So, thank you guys for watching another episode of Fish and Dive Hawaii. Next videos we're gonna show you guys how to cook the other fish, so stay tuned. Alright guys, thank you. Mahalo.